And this book is not only for English Olympiad participants. This book can be used to improve your English. When I was reading this book, I did not get bored at all. It was really fun and a great experience. And this was the first book that was published, and then came the second, English Mania 2. And as soon as I knew that this book was out, I just went and bought it. It was so great. Now, I feel like crossword puzzle, learning English through crossword puzzles is a very good way to learn English, because when you learn English through crossword puzzles, you can really increase your analytical ability. Going through all these tongue twisters has really helped me increase my fluency in English. Hello everyone, my name is Mayeeshat Shamama Muskan, and I am a grand finalist of English Olympiad 2020. And today I'm going to talk about this book, English Mania. So I first got introduced to this book when I was in the selection round of English Olympiad. I saw this book in the hands of many participants, and I just got a glimpse of this book, but I was very intrigued by what could be inside this book. So the next day I just went and bought this book. So this book has really helped me a lot in the preparation of English Olympiad. It has a wide variety of topics inside it, and it's really helpful. So first of all, in this book, what I noticed is the IPA. There is a chapter on IPA, which is International Phonetic Alphabet. So this book has an elaborate explanation on IPA, and reading the chapter of IPA from this book has really helped me improve my pronunciation a lot. And there are also various exercises on IPA which has helped me practice my pronunciation as well. Then we also have chapters on synonyms and antonyms and other vocabularies, which has helped me to broaden my vocabulary a lot. These vocabularies are the kind of words that's going to help you in your daily conversation, and like these are important words in English. There's also a chapter on tongue twisters. Now this chapter was one of my favorites. It's so interesting to read all these tongue twisters, and going through all these tongue twisters has really helped me increase my fluency in English. And not only have they helped me increase my fluency, but they've also been very interesting, so I loved reading them. And there is also another chapter which was crossword puzzles. Now, I feel like learning English through crossword puzzles is a very good way to learn English, because when you learn English through crossword puzzles, you can really increase your analytical ability, and besides that, your English spelling abilities is also going to get better. Now, the best part of this book that I really loved was the tips and tricks that were given on speech and presentation. To develop my public speaking skills, this book has helped me a lot. It has a lot of tips and tricks on how you can speak in public, and it also has a few wonderful examples of speeches given by great people like Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman or Abraham Lincoln. And reading all these speeches has really improved me in terms of my public speaking skills. And this book also has a lot of life hacks, tricks and tips that could help me improve my English in various ways. And I really loved this book. I really loved this book a lot. And the best part about this book is not only does it have a lot of information, it is also very fun to read, and it's not really monotonous. When reading English, like books on English, people often get really bored. Like I myself sometimes get bored when I read various books on how to improve my English, but when I was reading this book, I did not get bored at all. It was really fun and a great experience, and this was the first book that was published, and then came the second, English Mania 2. And as soon as I knew that this book was out, I just went and bought it. It was so great. And this book is not only for English Olympiad participants. This book can be used to improve your English in any sort of competitive English programs. So I would really suggest this book. And if a third book is published, I'm really looking forward to reading that book as well. Thank you.